Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to download reels from Instagram without any app or any website. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily download reels from Instagram. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, just open your Instagram and select the reel we want to download. Now once you have selected the reel, just click on share and copy the link of this reel. Now once you have copied the link of this reel, all you need to do is to open your Telegram. Now once you open your Telegram, open any chat at all on Telegram. Now once you open any chat on Telegram, just paste the link over here. Now once you paste the link, you can see delete www. And enter DD. So once you have deleted the www. You enter DD and then send the video to any user on Telegram. Wait for the video to load. You can see the video is loading. In this video, now click on the video, and once you click on the video, you can see the three lines at the upper right corner. Just click on it and you can see save video. Just click on save video. Now you can see video is saved to photos. Now let's go back and check this video or this reel in my photos. So let's go and check it. Now boom, you can see the video over here. So now with this trick, you can download any video from or any reel, not only reels, any video at all from your Instagram to your gallery. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video,